This is part 3 of section 6.2. We are going to solve AAS and ASA triangles. This is case 1 where we have one solution. We want to solve these triangles, which means the same thing it did in the previous section. We want to find all 3 angles and all 3 sides. In this case, we are being asked to round to the nearest tenth. So I'm going to write down what I have. Angle A is 46 degrees. Angle B, we don't know. Angle C is 93 degrees. Side A, we do not know, but it is over here. Side B is 22 feet. And side C, we do not know, but it is here. Now, if you have 2 angles, finding the third is easy. Angle B is going to be 180 degrees minus 93 minus 46, which gives us 41 degrees. So angle B is 41 degrees. Okay, now to find the length of these 2 sides, we're going to need to use the law of sines. We need to have both the angle and a corresponding side in order to use the law of sines, and we have that. So let's find the length of A. So I do A over sine of 46 degrees is equal to 22 over sine of 41 degrees. So our A value is 22 times sine of 46 degrees over sine of 41 degrees. And plugging that into your calculator and rounding appropriately, you'll find that A is approximately 24.1 feet long. Okay, now find side C. So I have C over sine of 93 degrees is equal to. Now technically I can use these 2 values or these 2 values, but since this was rounded, I'm going to choose to use this one. Okay, and besides, if I made a mistake calculating this, I'd rather not use what could be a mistake. I'd rather go with something that I'm more sure of. So this would equal 22 over sine of 41 degrees. So side C is 22 sine of 93 degrees over sine of 41 degrees. Plug that into your calculator and you'll get that C is approximately 33.5 feet. And we found all 6 pieces of that, so that is the triangle solved. Okay, similar problem. We're given angles A and C and length A in centimeters. So angle A is 35 degrees. B, we do not know yet. C is 98 degrees. A is 75 centimeters. B, we do not know. C, we do not know. We can find angle B quickly by subtracting from 180. And we get 47 degrees. Okay, now to find side B, I'm going to find B over sine of 47 degrees is equal to, since I have both pieces here, I'm going to use my A's, 75 over sine of 35 degrees. So B is 75 times sine of 47 degrees over sine of 35 degrees. And go to your calculator and round to the nearest tenth. And you'll find that your B value is approximately 95.6 centimeters. Okay, now let's find side C. So C over sine of 98 degrees is equal to 75 over sine of 35 degrees. So our C value is 75 times sine of 98 degrees over sine of 35 degrees. And your C value is approximately 129.5 centimeters. Okay, so let's solve the triangle with B equal to 67 degrees, C 63 degrees, and side C is 16.8 feet. So A, we do not know. B is 67. C, 63. A, we do not know. B, we do not know. And C is 16.8 feet. A, we find by subtracting from 180. And we get that A is 50 degrees. Okay, now to find our A value, A over sine of 50 degrees is equal to 16.8 over sine of 63 degrees. I believe you know how to solve for A by now. A is approximately 14.4 feet. Okay. Now side C, side B, sorry, B over sine of 67 degrees is equal to 16.8 over sine of 63 degrees. Solve that for B, and you find that B is approximately 17.4 feet. Okay, for this one, A is 64.5 degrees. B is 54.3 degrees. C, we don't know. Side A, we don't know. Side B, we don't know. Side C is 40 meters. So angle C is 180 minus 64.5 minus 54.3, which gives you 61.2 degrees. Okay, so this is the pairing we have both information of for. So A over sine of 64.5 degrees is equal to 40 over sine of 61.2 degrees. Solve that for A and round, and you get approximately 41.2. And that will be centimeters. Now to find side B, we have B over sine of 54.3 degrees is equal to 40 over sine of 61.2 degrees. Go to your calculator and then round, and you will get approximately 37.1 centimeters. Now we have all 6 parts, so the triangle is solved, and we're done.